Hello my friends. Now I want to share with you what's going on in my garage. I have started some very let's call heavy projects here for me, especially in garage. As you can see here, I am changing the control arm bushings, front, rear. Front has two, rear has one on W210. Here you can see I removed all the plastic covering. It is not, guys, very easy. When you have restricted area, you have no lift, you work on jack and jack stands. But if you are really enthusiast, you can do it as I. So guys, here you can see, this is briefly video. After this I will make another DIY video, but here I want to show you what I am doing in overall. Here you can see I removed the stock or factory control arm bushings. These are from front control arm. I have finished the job on the passenger side. Front rear is done now. Here you can see these are two pair of bushings which are installed on the front control arm. It was not easy to remove them, and this is another one. As I remember, this is installed on the front of the control arm. This is oiled bushing. You will need to drill it, then tap it with the hammer and cut it with the hacksaw, and this is complicated job, guys. I will show you everything in the next videos, how I removed them. But I want to say that it was nightmare to remove this guy from rear control arm. Now I will show you the diagram. Here it is. Can you see it? This is the rear control arm bushing. It was very difficult to remove it. No puller works here, no vice works here to press it out. I have no press tool, so I used some drill bits. After I realized that hammering it will not do any effect, I drilled it, I mean the rubber part. I damaged 3 drill bits here. I destroyed them. Here you can see they are damaged. They broke when I was drilling, because this sleeve is enough heavy duty. But finally I was able to drill out all the rubber. Then I removed the sleeve, and then with the hammer, punches, chisels, I tapped out that another sleeve from the bushing place. Here you can see this is cutted. I have no other option, so I damaged it and removed. Thanks God I have not damaged the control arm itself. So guys, very soon I will do the driver side, and then a separate DIY video will be available. Now I am waiting some strong flex components for the driver side, and when they arrived I will do the video. So stay tuned, I will share everything with you. Hope you are doing well, and catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.